Hello everyone, my name is Cosmas Nzomo and I'm the Logistics Manager at Mpala Research Center. I joined Mpala in 2012 and I've been commuting to work since then. The long commute has seen us get to Mpala beyond the normal reporting time, and this has affected our work in that by the time we get to Mpala, most students and researchers have already left for the field. And as a result, we are not able to carry out our morning briefings before every other activity takes place.
Hi, I'm Charles Igua, a research technician at the Mpala Princeton Genomics Lab under Professor Julian Ayos in the Turkana Health and Genomics Project. I'm also sponsored in a Master's in Genetics at the University of Nairobi. Getting to Mpala late has affected my work and study schedule since molecular techniques are time sensitive and I still have to catch up with my online classes in the evening.
My name is Rosemary Warongo. I work with the Princeton Zebra Project and the New Genetic Lab under Professor Dan Rubenstein. Getting to work of late has been a challenge simply because of the long commute. When I get to work late and I'm supposed to do field work, I miss some data because zebras will have gone to the hideout. Leaving home early in the morning and getting back late in the evening means that I don't have enough time to interact with my daughter.